my lungs.
Light him on fire.
Babe, you
gotta suck harder,
you
Bear.
gotta suck more dick to get your feet.
Do it, Bear. You got it, Bear.
Yeah, what's with this
That's right, Bear. You're getting fucked up, Bear.
Oh, whoa.
Bear, take it easy.
Why you acting so damn stiff? Is it that you need a spliggity split? Why are you acting so damn stiff? Did your boyfriend fall off a cliff? I heard these rumors that too much going through the rest of this fucking school, yeah. Different people talking in circles, even if
Hey, Conor, how about you getting out of bed and doing some steroids with me? I think you're getting kind of weak in the knees there. Let's go do some reps. We're gonna work out all night together. Come on, me and you, cousin Tony, we're gonna work out all night. Look at these guns. Look at these guns. Come on. Don't be such a faggot. I'm just busting your balls.
fight this war without weapons. And I wanted it bad. But there was so many red flags. Now another one bites the dust. Yeah, let's be clear, I trust no one. You
Hey, Conor. What the hell are you thinking about? Open the door! I can't open the door right now. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the fucking door. Open the door. Hey, open the door. Hey, open the door. Shit. There you are, son. Open the door. I see you. No, you're gonna get me so excited. You're gonna open the door. Open the door. Where is he? Where'd he go? Hey, there he is.
Hey, you in the this turtle dove of a jacket. Show your face.
Listen. You're gonna jinky then. What kind
kind of a jacket is that? That one of them new ones? Did you buy one of them new ones? Hey, hi. Hey, Oscar Maya, let me see your hot dog. Hey, Jones Chicken Sausage, come on over here. I got a scrambled egg and a biscuit for you. Hey, Pepperidge Farm, I got a Milano, a chocolate. Hey, hey, Hydrox, I got some stuffing for you. Hey, Aunt Jemima, I got some maple syrup. Hey, Kellogg's, I got some Frosted Flakes with a tiger mascot for you to eat. Hey, Mr. Nestle Quick with the remedies. Get him back here. Hey, Frito-Lays, I got some sour cream and chives with... What?
I'm sorry, but I had to have you come in today because we here at the upper echelon are really disappointed with your performance lately. You come in late, you don't clean up the cum stains like we need you to do, you're not there for the gaffing tape. Whenever the girl's ready to go and the guy's got the Viagra, you're late to get the lens ready. This is a very successful porn company, Conor Kinsman, and if you're going to continue working with us here, especially when we have a green screen, three-titted hooker shot coming up later, you're going to have to get back on your A game. You have anything to say for yourself? You're an intern at the Valley's biggest porn company, and you're acting like a bucket boy on the USS. Don't you feel... Crying will get you nowhere in the porn industry. Listen, this is... Filling out your paperwork to get hired will get you nowhere. You think we're gonna hire you on as after this lack of performance as an intern? We've got Lisa Ann and Alexis Texas in their trailer right now crying because you said that they really should think about their moral, ethical direction in life when they've got a gangbang coming up. You can't go around preaching to our porn stars.
Hey, Conor, I was wondering if one of the nice stuff you can... Just something to give me till Tuesday. Just some stuff. Give me till Tuesday. Because I came over your fucking desk. Now you gotta wipe it. Go get my grandma to clean it up.
So much to talk about on a 12-hour drive. Too short to walk without a friend by my side. So we replay
cookies.
A velociraptor who discovers he has diarrhea.
We're on a fucking boat. Hey, Muscato! Did you get those crabs that I brought in with my fine friend at the La Mackerel? The Outer Banks won't be so out there after I lick their honey twat. Stuff it into an envelope and mail it back to God.
They said to go out and get some crabs. I guess that's not what I had in mind.
You hear those seagulls? You hear that whale? What's the matter, first mate? We're on a fucking boat. Oh! Got some rough fucking waves ahead. Did you hear that? The octopus?
The Kraken.
The Kraken's out there! Muscato, go man the mast and get to the ship's barge side.
Aye.
Put a pumpkin up your ass. Call in them Alaskan crustaceans now, first mate. You can't be sleeping now in your blue sweatshirt. You're afraid of a fetch of tears from the ocean, twat. Give me a fucking lobster and stick it up my nose. Give me Coke. I'll blow it off a stingray.
Do you mean a stingray, laddie?
I want a stingray up my fucking ass to tickle my sphincter.
Japanese do it off naked virgins. He does it off stingrays.
Get me a lobster that can scratch my prostate and give me an erection. I want to spoo on a fucking whale's eye.
It's about time you stepped up to the plate, laddie. You've been a pussy all these years.
I jerked off to the dolphin's cries last night in its gills.
It's a lot of bear talk for a big pussy bear.
I'm a fucking bear. We jerk off in dolphin's mouth and watch them cry.
bear. Listen, bear.
Sperm whale.
You're looking at that one eye. You're a sperm bear.
I'm not a sperm bear. I fucking jerk off to only female things like fox and lichen. I jerked off.
Do you like lichen or do you like lichen?
I fucked a cardinal right in the eye the other night in the woods.
I just like lichen.
While eating your trash, you bastard. I Muscato.
You like rubbing sardines?
Did you get me some nuts and honey to rub on my cock?
There's no nuts and honey.
I want to fuck
We're
a
at
picnic
sea, matey.
club.
There ain't no nuts and honey. Just chilling aboard.
We're on this fucking boat. I'm just a bear looking for some whores. I had a prostitute horse the other day and sucked me off while I fucking ate trash out of a fucking garbage can. Sucking the horse, fucking the horse. I fucked 2 horses in 1 week and ate all your garbage.
Are you serious?
And then I shit on your lawn.
I don't have a lawn, bear.
I shit on his lawn.
We're out at sea.
Oh,
Lawn out here?
Were these sea
The whole ocean is my lawn.
These seahorses?
they were seahorses. I fucked a jellyfish and it burned my nuts off.
You fucked the seahorse?
I fucked a jellyfish thinking it was a jar of honey. My testicles were burning. Burning.
Barry, he's so well hung about seahorse.
I fucked a seahorse and a sea monkey.
Sea monkey, see how?
See how? I don't know. I fucking rode a submarine's engine just to get off. I'm a bear.
Sperm bear.
Sperm bear, yes, sir.
Better whale.
Jerry Port side.
I need to refocus.
Meet me on the Botman port.